Hi, I'm Hillary Hess from Helping with Happiness. Today we're going to teach you how to make some apple spice bread with this maple glaze. It's super tasty. This recipe was inspired by Costco muffins. I don't know if you ever shop at Costco, but those giant muffins, they had an apple spice one that they weren't making anymore. And so we decided to try making it at home, and we love it in the form of this bread. So let's go ahead and I'll teach you how to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so excited to hear all about whether you're going to be making this week. Throw that in the comments and let me know. And give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of our videos.